Hello everybody, today I'm going to teach you how to download Tachiyomi APK and have extension repos in it. So step 1 is to download Tachiyomi APK from Google. Click download, get the latest version and then click download. Here let's see the details. It's being downloaded. So let's wait for some seconds. Here we go. Now let's install it. I have already installed it, so I won't install it. Repos more, settings, browse, extension repos. Here you can see extension repos. I'll just delete it and show you step by step how to copy and paste it right here. Here we can't see any extension repos except for what I downloaded previously. So let's write Tachiyomi extension repo or extensions. Let's go to GitHub, down, and you can see here what to copy. Copy this text that is in light black. Then paste the things you copied, back, browse, and we can see extensions. You can download anything from here. After downloading it, you can go to the extensions in sources and enjoy your manhwas or mangas that you want to read.